Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something really exciting to talk about, the Creality K1 3D printer. This machine has some incredible features that are bound to impress. In this review, we will dive deep into what makes the Creality K1 stand out from the crowd. about the design and the build of the Creality K1. This 3D printer is a beast, measuring 600 mm per second in maximum speed. That's a whopping 12 times faster than your regular FDM 3D printer. With an acceleration of 20,000 mm per square second, the K1 can hit speeds of up to 600 mm per second in just 0.03 seconds. It's worth noting that this impressive speed is achieved in Creality Lab in surface mode with a layer height of 0.1 mm. Still, it's clear that the K1 is built for speed. Now, let's talk about the hot end. The Creality K1 boasts a 32mm square per second max flow hot end. It features a new ceramic heating element that surrounds the entire hot end, which heats up to 200 Celsius in just 40 seconds and melts filament almost instantly. The direct extruder with 2 gears delivers a robust extrusion force of 50 newtons. What's really impressive is that the hot end is built to last, with a heat break made of titanium alloy and copper alloy nozzle capable of working flawlessly at temperature up to 300 Celsius. So, whether you are printing with PLA or high temperature materials, the K1 has you covered. One of the standout features of the Creality K1 is its hands-free automatic leveling. A set of strain sensors is embedded in the heated bed to create an accurate leveling grid. And here is the best part. The entire leveling process occurs automatically after you start a print, without the need for any manual intervention or attention. It's a real time saver, especially for those new to 3D printing. The K1 comes equipped with a flexible book plate that's sticky and heat resistant, making it compatible with variety of filaments. Its finely frosted surface creates a fine and smooth model bottom, and it can be bent for easy print removal. Plus, there is a large fan on the print head with air channels to cool the model directly, ensuring your prints come out with precision. Additionally, an 18-watt auxiliary fan inside the bulk chamber improves the cooling effect, which is especially helpful for intricate prints. Last but not least, let's talk about self-testing. With the Creality K1, you can perform a self-test with just the tap of a button. This test covers extruder, heated bed, camera, this is optional, fan leveling and more. Any detected abnormalities will be displayed, allowing user to proceed with confidence and without any issues. It's a handy feature that ensures your printer is in top shape before each print. In conclusion, the Creality K1 3D printer is a speed demon with impressive features. From its lightning fast print speeds to robust hot end and automatic leveling, it's a machine that's designed to make your 3D printing journey smoother and more efficient. Whether you are seasoned pro or just starting, the K1 is definitely worth considering for your next 3D printing adventure. And that's it for our review of the Creality K1 3D printer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more 3D printing content, and let us know in the comments if you have any other questions, or if there is another printer you would like us to review. The link for the product is in the description. Thanks for watching and happy printing!